In today's video, we have listed everything we know about ASUS ROG Delta S, the world's first MQA gaming headset. High-resolution CODEC ESS 9281 with QUAD DAC technology. The ESS 9281 codec with QUAD DAC technology produces lossless audio processing and highly detailed sound. Each of the 4 DACs in the ESS 9281 codec devotes processing power to portions of the audible frequency range, from low, middle, high to ultra-high. The 4 signals are then combined to produce a clearer sound with an impressive 130 dB signal-to-noise ratio. With ROG Delta S, users can hear every detail and enjoy crisp, clear sound with a lifelike audio experience. Built-in MQA renderer. ASUS has started collaborations with Master Quality Authenticate, an award-winning audio technology company, and ROG Delta S is the first milestone of this partnership. Through these collaborations, ASUS brings studio-quality music to gamers. The integrated MQA renderer in ROG Delta S reads the core MQA signal, which is transmitted by global streaming services such as Tidal, to reveal exceptional audio quality. ASUS AI noise-cancelling microphone and incredible lighting effects. ROG Delta S joins the same team as the ROG Theta 7.1, ROG Strix Go, and ROG Strix Go 2.4 headsets to provide the ASUS exclusive AI noise-cancelling microphone. ASUS AI mic microphone features a dedicated processor to reduce over 50 million types of background noise while maintaining a clear in-game voice communications. Common background noises such as chat, keyboard clapping, and mouse clicks are reduced by 95%. The AI mic is also certified by Discord and TeamSpeak. The indicator light on the end of the boom flashes red when the microphone is turned off, so the users can easily determine the status. AI mic is also designed for users with loud background noise to communicate with their partner. This feature can be controlled via ASUS Harmony Create software and can be easily turned off whenever needed. In addition to excellent voice communications, the ROG Delta S also provides an exclusive sound wave-like effect, which makes the light blink in sync with the player's voice. This feature complements the customizable and integrated ROG Aura Sync RGB lighting in the ROG Delta S, and all lighting effects can be quickly turned off via the headset button, so users can easily adjust their own vibrations. Multi-platform compatibility. ROG Delta S is also packed with USB-C connections, which enables a high-fidelity audio experience with PCs, Macs, Nintendo Switch, PlayStations, and mobile devices. And the included USB-C to USB 2 adapter extends compatibility even further.